This is day one of shipping container home in the forest. In the forest, the woodsman, the mechanic. We're gonna retrofit this bad boy with so much fun things. The plan is to like predominantly make it a workshop so I can do welding. Just little forest things. Subsist in the forest, the shipping container. This it's really a test. We're gonna try to do it scalable. We're gonna basically build a giant pyramid out of shipping containers in order to just build a house, maybe a Roman court style, like U-shape or enclosed. We'll see. We're gonna go balls to the wall with it. Like the forest is our playground, truly. Goal is to have a wood fire stove and diesel generator, diesel heater, in order to really pump up the volume. The whole design philosophy behind this is basically going to be like maximizing space as if you were in a submarine with a small, humble workshop. Very, very minimalist, space efficient. I think we're going to go with solar and a gas generator for now. I would preferably like a diesel generator, because if I just get everything running on diesel, that would be super ideal, because then you could eventually just do biodiesel and like vegetable oil. And you could be super eco-friendly and smelling like a French fry. But yeah, this is episode 1. We cleared the area. I'll take you to like the spot actually. We'll walk to the spot. We'll walk and talk. This road that we're walking on feels kind of firm, but there's like a bunch of trees on the way. I'll show you right now. There's this one I gotta move. It's not hard to move. Probably do that with ATV. There's more downfall. Well, that's just to do some pruning too. That's why the shop's there. So we can just do some pruning, preparing the site as we prepare the cabin. So there's a lot of downfall. Right here. We got a lot of birches. No, sorry, not birches. What am I saying? Populus, sep, trembling, aspens. Not actually. We got maple, birch. I don't know what this one that fell down was. Someone can tell me. It's like a perfect path, all these fallen trees to the road. This is going to have to eventually be a road. I don't know, we're probably an excavator for a weekend or two and just clear this. So yeah, these are ironwood. Look at this. Beautiful ironwood that we got here. Turn this into bow staff. Starting price $40 million. More ironwood. Definitely try to turn these into bows or something. I don't know. Austria, Virginia. You can tell this forest was burnt down because there's a lot of new growth and a lot of burnt stumps just all over. This is essentially where we want the container, because this is American beech. Died a while back. Big American beech. Fagus grandifolia. But this is bedrock. I don't know if we can dig. This is like all on bedrock right now. On the shield. The Great Canadian Shield. This is where we're going to try to put the cabin. You can't even see it from here. Maybe even tucked back a little bit more. Maybe even tucked back like 10 feet that away. Just like over where that rock is basically. Have a cabin here. Very, very nice. Very beautiful. Very quaint. Very peaceful. Got some ferns. Computer, ID that fern. Yeah, this is all rock right here. Oh, Prunus Sarantina. Black cherry maybe. I don't know. I'll let you figure it out. More ironwood. A lot of ironwood in this section, which is nice. We'll have to get rid of all the clusters of American beech, Fagus grandifolia, because apparently this is all diseased and will just like not grow properly. That's what my teacher said. I'm in tree school. I wonder if actually road access would be easier instead of cutting through that. I wonder if we can go this way, which actually seems like it's quite open over here. Oh, it does look like there was ruts. I don't know if it will translate well in film, but it does look like there's ruts here. I'm like, I don't know, something. This feels pretty solid actually under my feet right now. I'm pretty sure, oh yeah, this is rock. I can see that. So maybe we'll have to build a path. Yeah, look at this. This clearing is actually perfect. Maybe we'll just put the container here on the rock here. I think that's a play. I think that's the Pogger play. Play of the game. We'll just have to make the path this way. Oh yeah, this will be way easier than cutting those trees down. Damn, let's go this way. Oh, someone's walking here recently. I can see it. I got that tracker sense. Or I can see the broken branches. Oh yeah, that's a way better play. So we'll probably have to cut down this birch if we want to get back here. That birch already was fallen, so we'll be firewood for the winter. This winter, easy firewood gains. Easy firewood. Oh yeah, that path. Okay, so we're gonna ignore what I said. We're gonna walk up that way. As you can see, the trees going up, leading towards it. Ignore that. We're just gonna go on this path because it's a much more direct route. Sometimes staying on the path and diverging a little bit is way better than completely diverging from the path and taking your own route, even though you don't know what you're doing. Who did that? Nice birch. Nice. But yeah, a lot of American beech saplings or whatever, new growth. Fagus grandifolia. Don't copyright strike me, please. She made toothpicks out the timber of my heart. Okay. But yeah, the container is down there. And we got to move it up there a bit and then over to the right. Over there-ish. Someone's shooting a gun. They don't know I got that finger gun on me. Yeah, I haven't really explored this area too much. Ooh, Overbrinham. Overbrinham? This is what we're gonna call home for a while, so we're gonna watch over there. Look, another Fagus granfolia. There's gonna be there's a lot of hardwood in here. They'll probably just like turn them into sheets and just cover the container in them. But yeah, from here it slopes down that way, as you can see. This is uphill, so we're gonna have the container a little bit more uphill. There's a nice birch section over there. Mary Poppers, birchwood. We're gonna have to build a lot of foxholes around here too, just for shits. And this is a perfect location for a foxhole. Depressed. Is that a black cherry? Burnt cornflakes? Maybe. We're not an expert yet. We're still working on our tree ID. It looks like it turns to some conifers over there, which is interesting. A couple maples, maybe sugar maples. Fall started, as you can tell. But yeah, so we're getting started. Maybe I'll take it inside the container, and we'll sort of discuss what the plan is with that. Doing this. This is the first time buying containers, so I don't really know the market value of containers. Oh, welcome to my dungeon. Yeah, buddy! That way! I don't know if you realize. It's a dark shipping container, that's all it is right now. Hopefully there was no human trafficking done in this, but anyway. Here, probably bunk bed. Here, all basically tables, multi-shelves. I was gonna do a little bathroom in the corner here, but I don't know just yet. I definitely have to do like one section here, probably this door, or even back there. Ventilation, because we're gonna need some proper ventilation for this bad boy. Yeah, buddy! What else we do? A couple skylights maybe, definitely window, probably door here. My initial plan was to just like cut a triangle and make a triangle door, submarine style, so I think that might be epic. Or else buy a normal door. We haven't decided yet. Anyways, it's pretty chill, pretty vibing. We're gonna do a little bunk bed style. And then under that bunk bed's gonna be another table to work on. That's the one. Any locks for this? I think we do spray foam about 2 inches or 3 inches. Because you don't need more than 3 inches in any regard whatsoever. And that's the start. I think the next one will probably be the 44,000 foot container. 42 foot, whatever the heck. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So to wrap it up, what we're doing is we're retrofitting a 20 foot shipping container to be a little workshop, a little sleeping space. We're gonna have space heaters, workbench, predominantly gonna be used for like welding, just doing little tasks in the forest, sharpening tools, stuff like that. Weapons of minimal destruction. We're gonna build, we're gonna renovate everything. What is in my hair? Oh, there's a nut. Who nutted in my hair?